Today we will discuss about the muscles of the lower limb. So this is the thigh, tinta compartment, anterior compartment, middle compartment and back of the thigh. So this is the anterior compartment of the thigh. It contains three muscles: sartorius, articularis genu and quadriceps femoris. So this one is the iliotibial tract. This is the rectus femoris. This is the vastus lateralis. This is the vastus medialis. এদের ভিতরে হচ্ছে vastus intermedius. Then this one is the sartorius. This one is the femoral artery. এটা হচ্ছে femoral artery. Femoral artery. এটা continuous করছে popliteal artery সাথে. Then popliteal artery divided into anterior and posterior tibial artery. Then এখানে হচ্ছে দুইটা আছে যেটা হচ্ছে একটু thick. এটা হচ্ছে কমন পেরোনিয়াল নার্ভ। এটা এখানে যায় হচ্ছে পপলিটিয়াল ফসা থেকে যে ডিভাইড হচ্ছে সুপারফিশিয়াল আর ডিপ। সুপারফিশিয়ালটা হচ্ছে ব্যাক অফ দ্য লেগে দিবে আর ডিপটা হচ্ছে অ্যান্টেরিয়র কম্পার্টমেন্ট অফ দ্য লেগে দিবে। চিকনটা হচ্ছে টিবিয়াল নার্ভ। Compartment of the thigh. So this is the middle compartment of the thigh. This one is the gracilis. This one is the adductor longus. This is the adductor magnus. Beneath to them, this is the adductor brevis. Then back of the thigh. This is the back of the thigh. This is the semi-tendinosus, tendon-like appearance, semi-membranosus. Then biceps femoris. It has two heads. This is the lateral head because it lies laterally. So these all are the muscles of thigh. Then gluteal region. This is the gluteal region. This is the gluteal maximus. This is the medius and minimus
all along this area.
Vitore.
And piriformis here.
And this is the piriformis. Then this is the leg. Leg has three compartments: the lateral compartment, then the anterior compartment, and back of the leg. So this one is the anterior compartment. First, this is the extensor hallucis longus because insertionটা হচ্ছে breadth of the Then this is the tibialis anterior. Extensor digitorum. Digit means fingers or toes. Then this is the peroneus tertius. This is the peroneus longus. This is the peroneus brevis. Back of the leg. তিনটা মাসেলের মধ্যে this one is the gastrocnemius lateral head. It lies laterally. This one is the medial head. It lies medially. And beneath to them, this is the soleus. And the plantar is Ordis Karnapuka.